Welcome back to Once Upon a Gun, everyone. Today we have one that is super cool for you. Have been waiting for a long time to get this into the shop. Finally showed up, excited to share it with you. This is the Walther PPK stainless steel model with the walnut grips in 380. This is super cool. This is a traditionalist's gun. If you love classic firearms, you like that James Bond feel, you like those looks, this thing is super neat to add to your collection. So as you can see, Walther gives you a different presentation rather than the standard black box that you're used to. Comes in this box. So let's take a look here. Open this up. Get this fancy box in here. Now before we get into that, let's take a look in here. Let's see. Gun lock and your safety manual. Make sure you read those. Be safe with your firearms, folks. Don't ruin it for everybody. Set that down, set this aside. Now here we are, star of the show. Got our metal latches here. You can just feel that this is a substantial gun, but just by picking this up. Oh, look at that, guys. That is beautiful. Stainless steel model, 380 walnut grips. Comes with 2 magazines. This thing is super, super cool. Look at this attention to detail. Sights, grips, beautiful polish on the steel. This thing is awesome. And it feels substantial in the hand. So unloaded, this thing weighs like 20 ounces. So this is very, very cool because it feels like like it's punching above its weight class. This thing feels substantial in the hand. Obviously, it's only a 380, but this is this is the quintessential James Bond gun. This thing is what you think about when you think of the Bond movies. If you're interested in cool collector guns, this is probably one that you're gonna want. It feels good in the hand. Obviously, a little short. I've got medium glove size hands, and I'm barely able to hang on here. But so if you've got super big hands, then this might not be as comfortable for you as the rest of us. But if you fit this, you're gonna like this. So feels good. These sights, even though you can see here, they're very small, they pick up really easy on the eye because these red dots got the little red there. It's got the red on the front. It's super cool. 6 inches long. It's about I think 4.3 inches tall, I think is what it's on there. That 7-round capacity. But what is super cool on this thing is the trigger on here is just crazy. So I'm just playing with this. All right, watch this. Barely touch it. Just barely touch it, and it's ready to go. So this thing is very, very cool. I mean, the features obviously a little bit different because you don't have your normal like magazine release and takedown lever and stuff like that. So would take a little getting used to. It certainly has for me. As you can see, it's my first time playing with one of these, but I'm gonna have to add one to my collection. This is a customer's firearm. They graciously allowed me to show this here on the channel, but we're certainly going to be getting one for ourselves. This is super, super cool. It's almost 20 ounces, empty, with 7 rounds of 380. It's not going to add a ton of weight, but again, I don't know that this is necessarily going to be your super comfortable everyday carry, but I think for a collector's pistol, this would be something that you're looking for. Again, that trigger travel, I mean, you barely blow on that thing, and it's going. So it feels super neat to have. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them below. Sorry I didn't have more info for you on this. It's the first time we've had one of these. I've been looking forward to it a lot. But this, again, first time I've ever actually held one of these right here on this channel. So not the smoothest presentation, but hopefully you guys enjoy the look at it. So leave some comments below. Appreciate you following the channel. We'll see you next time. Welcome.